I am Pakistani and watching Mr. Pakistan. After today, this year, I will teach you how to animate a simple byte security and task security using RFID tag. So, showing the table, there is a project. Here I will do this bulb, demo with this bulb. So first, like connect it to this bulb series with a relay, and this relay is connected to Arduino, and Arduino is an RFID reader, and Arduino powering this by a power bank. Now these are two cards. Card 1 engine on, card 2 engine off. So if there is no engine, I will connecting this light as an example. So you can actually remove the T byte or motor T byte or T switch or ignition switch and connect instead this circuit. That way you can control your car with. So these are RFID tars, right one. Bulb is turned on, and this time I will and showing the side. If I put this start, this is off, on, plus off. This way you can turn off your home appliances also with RFID card. So you can also ask home automation using RFID card, or you can also turn on off your engine, lock your engine, no matter car engine or bike engine, with this start or stop by this RFID card. So if I put this RFID card, so I include programming this card is engine enabling card, which will start card, and this is a stop card. Now explain the circuit. First, relay 5 volt ground alternate. Arduino 5 volt ground wire is these two wires, white and black wire, and other black wire which are a single wire which connect the timing pin 8 of the digital 8 of the Arduino. And RFID is 3 volt, card reads 3.3 volt, while new 3.3 volt ground to ground of the Arduino. RFID RC5200 which are connected here. And now show one small demo. This is a card. This way you can turn on any appliances also, but you can need different RFID cards. For example, if your home have 5 appliances, you need 10 RFID tag, which is 10 5 for on, 5 for off. So that stays it are too many tags. So it is not good for home automation. It is good for engine locking system. But still you can need 2 RFID cards, one for engine starting and other for engine stopping. This way you can use this as a T starting system. Also you can use as a home automation. And this video can become next video very soon. By the way, I later want to explain a circuit again. Power supply 5 volt ground is coming to the bulb. 5 volt is the bulb, and ground is to the relay. And relay the terminal is connected to a bulb. And relay RFID based engine locking system toward explaining, also known as RFID tag based home automation. As include SPI data library SPI limitation. As include MFRC522 data library for RFID reader. As define SS pin 10. As define reset pin 9. MFC 522 MFRC 522 SS pin reset pin. Transfer byte first card, transfer byte second card. There are 2 RFID UIDs, one for on, one for off. Here we put your UID after then 0 after 0 at 10, 11, 12 and 13. Here you replace with these your RFID number for second card, also as first card here. Int relay pin equals 8. So relay connected 8 pin number 8 digital. White setup bar 9066 serial implementation. SPI beating for serial. SPI implementation. MFRC 522 PD int. Relay pin was relay output. Relay pin output. Wide loop. If not MFRC522.PIC new start percentage. So it will check whether it is star is new. If star is not new, return not greater than MFRC522.PLC read.serial. If star is not new, it will read serial. MFRC 522.UID U byte first start. So here we put U byte UID 4 equals 0. Say print. Please read first RFID tag detected. Digital wide relay I turn on the relay, else if menu MFRC52 to UID U byte setting tag 4 equals 0. It will check if setting tag is detected. See print setting RFID tag detected. Digital wide relay pin low. Digital turn off relay, else print unknown tag detected. And this video is animated. I'm next studio. I soon pause.